family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. If you're just joining us, thank you very much. So today we're gonna be doing some chicken stir fry accompanied with some sweet potatoes. So before we start, I'm actually going to marinate our chicken. I have a pound of chicken here, so I'm gonna marinate it with some salt and seasoning cubes, and then we'll continue with the ingredients. So family, before we continue with the stir fry, we're actually going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees and then cut our potatoes into small pieces because it takes a longer time to cook. And also, after we're done, we're gonna sprinkle the potatoes with some, I have avocado oil. You could use any oil of your choice, and then also some garlic powder, some chili powder, and some salt. Onion. I equally have some mushrooms here. I have a blend of ginger and garlic, and I have a little bit of lemon. Also, I have some sliced basil and scallions just to season at the end. I have some soy sauce. Also, I have some curry powder. I have chili powder, black pepper. I actually have white pepper, seasoning cube, and garlic powder. And then also, you have in my whole veggie bowl here, you have broccoli, you have a long green pepper, you have red bell peppers, you equally have carrots. Once my onions are chopped, I'll go ahead and add in some avocado oil into a pot and add in my chicken and my onions and let fry until golden brown and ready. I occasionally stir my chicken so it doesn't get burned. So I'm gonna add in the mushrooms and also the vegetables. I'll go ahead and add my soy sauce and also the other dry ingredients. You can go ahead to add some water into your stir fry if it's dry, or coconut milk. So I added 1 cup of coconut milk just because I just wanted that coconut flavor. I'll equally add my basil and scallions just for that good flavor. The last thing I would like to add is my lemon, because lemon helps preserve it, make it fresh as you eat during the week. Once all my ingredients are in, I make sure I don't overcook them, because I love stir fry when the vegetables are crunchy. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it. Food is ready, fam, so you could actually put it in some bowls and keep in the refrigerator to eat during the week. And also, thank you so much for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Take care. God bless you.